guys, today we're cooking one of the most popular dishes in Japan. Well, I can cook, but Michael's better at it, so Chef Michael's gonna show you how to do it. Alright, let's go! Hey, Chef Michael, what are we cooking today?
We are cooking Japanese curry today.
Alright, you heard the chef right. Today we're showing you guys how to cook curry because you might think sushi and ramen are what Japanese people eat on a daily basis. But in reality, this is what we eat on a daily basis. I would say Japanese curry is extremely popular among Japanese households and we definitely grew up on it. Curry seems like a complicated dish to make, but it's actually really simple. You only need 5 different ingredients. All you need are some sort of meat, carrots, onions, potatoes, and curry mix. This time we used pork, but you can also use beef or chicken. For curry mix, you should definitely try different ones to see which one you like the most, but we recommend the one called Java curry. Alright, let's get to cooking. We highly recommend preparing rice first because it'll take a while and every Japanese person has made this mistake of forgetting to prepare rice and it's gonna make you wanna cry. There are a few different ways to make it, but we tried the fastest way this time because nobody's got the time to cook if you work in Japan. If you know what I mean. Step number 1, remove the skin of the vegetables and cut them into uniform shapes. It really doesn't matter how big or small you cut the veggie into, but make sure the shapes are uniform so that they'll cook evenly. Step number 2, cook the ingredients in a pot. You're supposed to oil the pot with 2 tablespoons of oil, but since we used a ton of fatty pork, we decided not to, but you're supposed to. The amount of water used varies depending on the curry mix, so follow the instructions written on the box. Once it boils, remove the scum and add the vegetables and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After making sure everything is cooked, stop the stove and finally throw the curry mix in. You're recommended to put 2 blocks at a time, but we're just not that patient. You stir the curry mix in really well until it's completely melted in. Put the stove back on low heat and let it cook for a few more minutes. And that's it. All you have to do now is enjoy. That was pretty easy, right?
Nothing really beats a bowl of curry. It reminds me of childhood. It gives you this like warm and fuzzy feeling when you eat it. Nothing really beats curry. Japanese curry isn't very spicy compared to Thai and Indian curry. It's still very flavorful, but I think everybody can enjoy it. Everybody can enjoy Japanese curry because there are generally 3 different levels of spiciness and it's written on the box. The least spicy one is called amakuchi. The medium spicy one is called chukara. The spiciest one is called karakuchi.
Another way to enjoy Japanese curry is to try different secret ingredients. In Japanese, it's called kakushiaji, and some people claim that you can literally add any edible ingredients to curry and still taste good. Ingredients like honey, chocolate, grated fruits, coffee, dairy, and wine are commonly added. So why don't you get creative with it?
My secret ingredient is coconut milk.
And my secret ingredient is orange peel jam. Okay, I'm gonna try the coconut one. I think adding coconut to it makes it a little bit like a Thai curry. So like if you like creamy Thai curry, I think you're gonna like this one. Oh, it's pretty good. I think the orange peel adds a little bit of sweetness to it, obviously, but not in a bad way. Also, I think the orange peel kind of complements the spice a little bit. I think it works really well.
Making Japanese curry is so simple. If you move to Japan, you should try it.
So the ingredients for Japanese curry are fairly easy to find. You can literally find anywhere, any supermarkets in Japan. and it takes zero special skill to make curry. Also, a batch of curry could last you at least for a few days, so it's a really good way to save up money as well. Also, literally everybody likes curry from my experience, so it's a really good food to serve at a party as well, and it's really hard to mess up making curry too. It's gonna be a really good party food as well. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!